Can you imagine if we were able to impact young people and the entire next generation of teenagers possessed agency, and we're able to take that confidence and then turn it over to civic engagement? This world would be a completely different place.
We are a 9 through 12 high school that is going to open in Commerce City in 2023-24. We'll open to our 9th grade students.
We don't believe that our students come to us as empty vessels. We truly believe that our students are coming to us, and our teachers, our cultivators, are coming to us with so much knowledge and wisdom based in their own lived experience, and we want to capitalize on that.
Through our project-based learning model and problem-based learning model, kids get to focus on real-world experience and real-world problems that are going on and solve them in context.
I think that really what matters in life is actual change. That's what we want to situate our students, our change agents, to be able to find, not just for them, but for their children and their children and their children. And then we're looking at this generations deep.
It's not about knowing facts or skills. It is about knowing how to champion a cause, how to find information, and how to work with others.
Let's put our minds together and create that revolutionary change, and we can honor the humanity in one another. And it's actually only once we're honoring the humanity in one another that we can say we are a true community. And then when we're a true community, we can come together and engage civically and make a real impact on our society.